controlling moisture, the primary catalyst for mold growth involves several proactive measures. Start by using vapor barriers and sealing any cracks in the foundation. An infrared inspection can help detect leaky plumbing, another common source of unwanted moisture. If certain areas of your home, like basements, are prone to high humidity, consider using a room dehumidifier. The ground around your home should slope downward, directing water away from the structure. Regular maintenance tasks should include cleaning blocked gutters and drains. A properly functioning ventilation system is crucial, and using exhaust fans can further assist in controlling moisture. Aim to keep the relative humidity inside your home between 30 and 50%. If you find a mold problem, contact Mold Busters for professional help and book a free virtual inspection at busmold.com or through our app.